Happening daftys, so we're back with a new video. Today I have an unboxing for you of the Court Purples that were released like a week or 2 weeks ago, but they've only just arrived due to like lockdown and quarantine and due to what's going on in the world. Before we jump into it, I just want to say sorry I've not been uploading again. This has been taking a toll, but I'm back now with this video and hopefully others to come. But if you guys want to follow my Instagrams at jack_nisbet and diabetes_shoes, and like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Let's jump into it. So here we have the box, the Jordan 1 box. I mean, it's like so iconic, like you know it, you just know. In them is the Court Purples, which we'll get to in a second, where we will unbox them using a top-down view. These released for $134.95, so the normal Jordan 1 price, making use of obviously the leather upper, the tumbled leather, making use of the Court Purple colourway. So let's kind of just jump into it. I'm excited to see these. These will go with a lot. I think I've got a couple of things they can go with like really well, so I'm hoping they actually match up how I think they should. But let's jump to the top down view so we can get an eye on the shoes. So we have the top down view here. We're just going to take the lid off of the Jordans, and here we have it. Oh, there we go. The Court Purple Jordan 1s. Highs. Shoelaces should be, there'll be another one. So I think with this you've got the black laces, and then you've got like a purple lace, but it's not the same colour as the actual upper. It's like a mix of colours, I think, is what I've been hearing. So you've got the Nike Air tab up on the tongue. You've got the purple leather upper with the tumbled leather sidewall, and then you've got the black Nike tick with the embossed Air Jordan logo on the side. Very clean, very clean. Let's get the other one out. So here we have it. I'll show you the laces quickly on this one. Yeah, so it looks like there's going to be, if you look at it from the side, like there's different colours. I don't know if you can see that. So it looks like there's different colours like going out throughout the lace. You've got like darker bits and then you've got the lighter bits. I don't know, I might try them in with these. I'll probably put the black ones in first. Maybe not though, I'll have a think like while I'm doing the lace up section of the video, and we'll see. But these kind of look, these might look cool on them, but it's a hit or miss sometimes I think with the way you lace it, but we'll wait and see. But as I said, you've got the tumbled leather sidewall, the leather upper, you've got the white toe box, and then you've got the Nike Air on the tongue as well. Very fuego. What I'll do is I'll move the box out of the way and then I'll start lacing them up for you guys in a time lapse. So enjoy. They're just so nice, like the colourway is just so clean. Purple goes with a lot, but we have making use of the leather upper and the purple. You've got the tumbled leather on the sidewall, and then you've got obviously the black Nike tick, making use of the Nike Air and the purple on the tongue as well. It's very clean. The leather quality seems okay. It's not the best that I've felt, but it's not the worst either. It is a lot softer though, so that's the only thing. Got the white outer sole, and then you've got the purple under. You can never really go wrong with like a white and a coloured Jordan 1. Like they're just so clean. It's just such a clean silhouette, and they can be used in so many circumstances. I love this colour. I love the hue of the purple. Looks very nice. So let's jump to an on foot of them, and hopefully I can style them properly. I've not really got much scenery I can use due to the fact that I'm locked in, but I can do my best and we'll see how that goes. So So this is the fit that I've chosen to go with. So we have the Vital Studios hoodie on the top. Go check out his Instagram, I'll put it in the description below. Next we have a pair of ASOS cord cropped trousers, and then obviously on feet we have the Court Purple Jordan 1s. So we're back. You guys just seen the on foot of the shoe. It looks fuego. It really does. It's so nice. But that was the retro Jordan 1 Court Purples. I hope everyone is doing well on lockdown or quarantine if you're in that, if you're not in lockdown yet. I hope everyone's safe, everyone's families are safe. Just don't be stupid. Don't go outside unless you need to. Go for your exercise if you want, but just try and stay 6 feet apart from everybody. It's a nightmare, but we kind of need to stick together to get this done. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe because it genuinely means a lot. I've not been uploading as consistently as I'd want to, but this whole thing is taking a toll. I'll try and get past it, and then we'll see if we can have some more uploads within the next weeks or couple weeks, because I think we're going to be in here for another couple months. Or at least a month. Guys, what, follow me on Instagram at Jack_Nisbet or Diabetus_shoes, and I'll see yous in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.